Always having to dribble the ball whenever you want to move.
Man, I hate it. And it can't be good for the floor.
Shaq's right. Hey, if we all get together and say we're not going to dribble anymore, what are they going to do?
And why can't we play in the morning and then just get on with our day? I have a garden. Flowers, tomatoes, nectarines.
I like dribbling.
I love NBA games. It's the only place where you can get drunk on light beer and yell at millionaire giants. Watch. Hey, Dirk Nowitzki.
English is not my first language. What is this, dork?
It means handsome.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, Kevin Garnett. Smooth move going straight to the NBA instead of going to college. Good luck getting into grad school, chump.
Oh, no. You do not talk to my son like that.
Well, your son is shooting 3 for 15. What percentage is that, Kevin? He doesn't know because he didn't go to college.
Do you know what percentage that is?
I was a ceramics major.
Sit down and keep your mouth shut. You Stanley from the office looking dope.
Hey, Mom. Why is Stanley from the office yelling at you?
I do not look like Stanley from the office. Seriously, I do not look like Stanley from the office.
You know, Stanley from the office looks like our fat son. I hate this show now.
Hi, Rollo. How was your little date at Cheesy Charlie's? You had fun with your girlfriend?
Yeah, we're getting married.
Don't.
Oh, that is the cutest thing I've ever heard. You are quite the little gentleman.
Well, she kept saying all her friends are getting married. Something about her eggs drying up. Plus, she got pretty big boobs for a 5-year-old, so I said, whatever, I'll marry you tomorrow.
What's her ass like?
It's important.
You're all terrible. Ever hear of something called defense? Cleveland Brown representing the 555. Stool Bend, Virginia, y'all. I'm out.
The 555, y'all.
I know we won, but it's hard to enjoy it after that guy called me Steve Trash.
He called me Dwight Howard. I know because I thought he said my name. But when I waved to him, as I do whenever anyone says my name, he enunciated more clearly. And this time I realized I'd been insulted.
You know what? I'm going to banish that guy to Jerk Island.
Jerk Island? What's that?